of India.
So what happens to Vidya Balan at 53? Where are you going? Where
I'll
do
be
you
even
see yourself?
sexier.
So when you joined the industry, did you ever think you'd be able to sit here at 43, these hits behind you, these new hits coming, redefining the role of women in our cinema and being on top of your anxieties? Did you think that would happen after 20 years because you were very young when you first signed up?
No, when I first started working, I was 15 and a half
Right.
when I started television. By the time I joined movies, I was 26. But I definitely see, I don't think anything is impossible today. Through these 17 years that I've been in cinema, I've seen how the portrayal of women in cinema has changed, how, there's more age-appropriate work, there's less, Veer, for example, previously I used to think that my body was an impediment in me seeing success because I always thought that I'm not the perfect body and I wasn't ready to, do anything drastic to really be like the zero figure or whatever. But I've realized, at some point I had the realization that the body is what is keeping me alive.
Yeah.
And I'm showing no gratitude towards my body. I'm only criticizing and hating it. When the body stops, I will not be around to criticize and hate it. So I may as well start appreciating it. Thank you. And I think that changed a lot. My health started improving.
Yeah.
I'm in the best health I've ever been for the past 3 years. And I keep saying, how can this get any better? And people used to, before every film, people would come and tell me, we need you to lose weight. Around 5 years back, when the director told me that, I'm not going to name anyone, I called the producer and the director over, and I said, if you want someone with a different body, please cast someone else.
Yeah.
This is what you get. What you see is what you get.
Right.
So if I'm not appropriate for the role, I'm not going to change myself. And they backed off. And ever since, no director or producer has asked me to lose weight. And I think because there's no one, the hero does not have any one type of body. Each one is a hero.
Right.
You just need to discover the hero or unleash the hero in you. So my point is that you can look however, you can be whoever, but you can have it all.
And you've proved that, no?
Thank you.
ये है ideas of India.